Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer. This is a space where we talk about the real struggles of losing weight. So today we are going to be talking about something almost everyone, almost everyone faces during their weight loss journey, which is hitting a plateau. A plateau is when your progress stops. You're doing everything all right, but it feels like nothing is changing. It can leave you feeling stuck and frustrated and ready to give up, basically. So I got a message from someone feeling exactly like this. So if you've ever felt like throwing in the towel because the scale isn't moving, know that you are not alone. So let's talk about why plateau happens, how to push through them, and how to stay motivated when it feels tough. You are stronger than you think. Together we will figure things out step by step. Okay, so here's the message I received. Hi, I need some advice because I'm feeling so stuck right now. I've been losing weight steadily for a while, but now I've hit a plateau and nothing I do seems to work. I'm still eating right and exercising, but the scale hasn't moved in weeks. It's so frustrating because I'm putting all this effort and it feels like I'm not getting anywhere. Part of me wants to give up and go back to my old habits because at least that was easier. How do I push through this? Wow, that's a tough spot to be in, isn't it? Okay, so you've been working so hard, but it feels like, you are stuck. I get how frustrating that can be, but don't worry, we are going to break this down together. Let's figure out what is going on and how to get through this step by step. You've got this, okay? I'm here to help. First, I want to say this. I understand. I know how hard it feels because I've been there too. And I know many of us has been there too. You are working so hard and you're not seeing the result that you want. That's frustrating and it's okay to feel upset about it. But let me tell you something important. You haven't failed. Hitting a plateau is totally, completely normal. And it happens to everyone. Every single one of us. It doesn't mean that you're doing anything wrong. Okay? It just means that your body is adjusting to changes that you have made. Think of it like a long road trip. Sometimes you need to stop and take a break before you keep going. Your body is kind of doing the same thing. It's pausing for a moment to catch up. And that's okay. You are not stuck forever. Just like you're not stuck on that road forever. So don't worry. We'll get through this together one step at a time. Okay? So why do plateaus happen? Right, I'm going to explain to you for you to understand, okay? So when you start losing weight, right, your body works really hard because everything is new, right? It burns a lot of energy and you start seeing results quickly as in you start losing weight, right? At the beginning. But after a while, as time goes, your body gets used to that your new routine. So it becomes like more efficient, meaning that it doesn't need to burn as many calories to do the same thing that it used to do. That's why weight loss slows down or even stops completely, right? But here's the good news, right? There's good news, okay? So don't worry. This doesn't mean that your journey is over. Okay, it just means that your body is adjusting and now it's time to change things up a bit. Your body is so smart, right? Our bodies are so smart, right? So it's trying to keep you going. Let's work with your body, not against it, to push through this plateau and to get things moving again. Okay, so now I'm going to give you 5, simple hacks that might help. Make sure you try them, okay? We're going to do this together. So my first hack is to change your routine. The first thing you can do is to change your routine a little bit, okay? So if you've been doing the same exercise for a long time, your body might have gotten too comfortable with that same exercise. It's like your body knows what to expect. So it's not working as hard as it used to do anymore. So to fix that, try mixing things up. You don't need big changes, just small ones to surprise your body and make it to work harder again. For example, if you usually walk for 30 minutes, at the same speed, right? Try walking a little faster for, a few minutes, or find a hill to walk up to. You understand? If you're doing, strength training, try lifting slightly heavier weights or doing more repetitions. These small changes can make a big difference and they would help you break through that plateau. Trust me. Okay? So make sure you try that one. So my second hack is to reevaluate your portions. So let's talk about food. Even if you are eating healthy, your portion sizes might be too big for what your body needs right now. As you lose weight, your body needs fewer calories to keep going. So it's important to adjust how much you're eating. Now, don't worry, you don't need to starve yourself. That's not what I'm saying, right? Or make like a big scary changes. That's not what I'm saying, right? Just take a look at your meals, yeah? Ask yourself, am I eating more than I really need? Maybe you can have a little less rice or pasta, or swap like a high calorie snack for something lighter, like a fruit, for example. These small changes can help you break through plateau without feeling hungry or frustrated. So my third hack is to celebrate non-scale victory. Sometimes we get so focused on the numbers on the scale that we forget about all the good changes like happening in our body. Are your clothes fitting better? Do you have more energy? Right? Are you feeling stronger? Are you sleeping better? These are all the signs that you are making progress, even if the scale is not moving. So take a moment and think of these non-scale victories and even write them down. Write them down. Maybe your pants are feeling looser, or you climbed the stairs without, feeling out of breath. These are like big wins, guys, right? So celebrate them because they show that your hard work is making a difference, even if the scale doesn't show it yet. Okay, so guys, my fourth hack is to give your body a break. Sometimes your body just needs a little break, guys. So if you've been like working out a lot or eating like really, really strictly, your body might be feeling stressed. Taking a rest day or even a few rest days can help your body recover and feel better. Resting doesn't mean that you're giving up. It's about giving your body the time that it needs to recharge so that it can keep helping you, okay? So on your rest days, do things that make you feel good. You can do a stretch, you can go for a gentle walk, or just relax, with a book, watch your favorite show, just enjoy yourself. So when you get back to your routine, you will feel a lot stronger, you'll feel a lot refreshed, and you're ready to keep going. Okay, so give yourself a break. Okay, so my fifth and final hack is to stay patient and consistent. But guys, before I go any further, and I've got something, to show you guys, right? I actually went out to ask, people simple but important question. I asked them, do you feel it's harder to stay consistent or to stay patient? So let's take a look at what they said.
So, do you feel it's harder to stay consistent or stay patient?
I'd say consistent. Stay consistent, because in the beginning you're gassed, so I can do the work and to start. But when I get slow progress, then it's hard to stay consistent.
Patience for me.
Would you say?
Yeah, I want everything now. So consistent. Now I've started going again the last few weeks. I'm fine. It's a routine that I can deal with. It's that first part. It's like, oh no, but it's taking so long. That's patience for me.
Okay.
Patience is very isn't always in my vocabulary. So a bit hard on myself, but you have to just accept that you're not going to be perfect. I'm older now, everything, your body changes. Patience, I would say, definitely.
That is the key part of it. You have to stay consistent.
You think it's harder to stay consistent?
Yes, at least you have to set a goal for yourself that minimum, like for myself, minimum of 4 times in a week. That is the goal.
Right.
But this week, I only came 3 times. But my goal is 4 times in a week, which I achieve almost every week.
Okay. So you think consistency is more than being patient?
Yeah, you have to continue. It's a continual process. You continue. You control what you are eating, and you continue going there.
The results will come. It's hard to stay consistent. If you stick to it, the results will come.
Yeah.
You gotta trust the process. You know. So the more you get there, like after 1 month, you might notice anything. 2 months, 3 months, you're gonna notice results. You know. Stick with it. The results will follow.
That was really interesting, right? Some people said it's harder to stay consistent, while some others said patient is the bigger challenge. But honestly, guys, for me, my answer is both. Okay? Both of them. Both consistency and and patient, right? You see, consistency and patient go hand in hand as far as I'm concerned. They work together. So let me explain. Consistency is about showing up every day. right? That's what consistency is about, like making those healthy choices and sticking to your plan even when it feels hard. But here's the thing, consistency alone isn't enough if you're not patient. Result takes time, and if you don't give your body the time it needs to change and adjust, it's easy to feel discouraged, right? And give up. So that's where the patience comes in. So on the other hand, patience without consistency won't get you far either. So you can't just wait and hope for results. You have to keep putting in the work every single day. So it's really about, finding the balance between the two. Keep showing up for yourself with consistency and trust that with patience, the result will come. They may not happen as fast as you want, but every step you take is moving you closer to your goal. So if you're feeling stuck right now, it's okay to feel frustrated. I understand. But don't let that frustration make you stop. Okay? You've worked so hard to get where you are, and you've come too far to give up now. Okay? So take a deep breath. Right? And think about how much progress you have made so far. Okay, and keep going. You've got this. And I'm so proud of you for not giving up. Remember, you are not alone. Everyone, as in everyone, hits a plateau at some point. Okay, but what really matters is how you handle it. Okay, so keep moving forward. Trust that all your hard work will pay off. Yeah, at the end, you are stronger than you think, and I believe in you. Okay, I believe in you. Now, guys, I want to hear from you guys. All right. Have you ever, I'm sure you have, but have you ever, hit a plateau? And how did you push through, right? Please share your experiences. I want to hear that, and your tips in the comments below, okay? In the description down below, in the comment section, so we can all learn and help each other out. Okay, you're going to be helping somebody out there by doing it, so please do it, right? And if this video has also helped you, please don't forget to like, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and join me next time for more tips and encouragement. Okay, we are all in this together, and I'm here to help you. Okay guys, until then, I'll see you in the next one.